What I have today is a 14-piece bread proofing basket set. Let's see what's in here. Sourdough bread recipe book. Well, that could come in handy like that. Here's how to take care of it and how to contact them. Here is a silicone sill pad, but it's also a bread lifter. So he has handles, that's kind of cool. And it comes with stencils, so if you want to stencil the top of your bread, a little flour on top, that's kind of cool. This is one of those fancy, it's a dough whisk. I was gonna buy one of these separately and I don't need to anymore. That's kind of cool. And a knife. And then this is it has razor blades. It's for scoring the top of the bread so it doesn't explode. That's kind of neat. I already bought one of those. And here's the basket itself, and oh my goodness, it is really well made. I like that. I don't know what this is. That was kind of holding the basket in place, I bet you. And then here's a flat basket, but it's got a little dimple in it. It probably has to open it up all the way like that. And then it's got little handles on it, like little leather handles. That's cool. And this all comes off so you can wash them. And then we have another little packet here. This is a bench scraper. That's neat. Some extra fabrics. Here's a pliable bench scraper, just like that, only it bends. And then we have little bags to give our handmade bread to our neighbors and friends and family. That's what's in the box. I don't know what's in this thing. I don't think it's anything. I think it was just for shipping. I was wrong. Look at there. This is to culture your sourdough starter. And it comes with a thermometer thing on the side and a little top in case you want to let the air in. I've got some learning to do, see what I'm going to use all this for, but I am going to make some sourdough bread with this very, very soon. That's why they call it the Dave Cooks channel, because that's what I do. So, in summary here, we have the basket. We have two baskets. We have the recipe book, how to take care of the baskets. We have two bench scrapers. We have two extra liners. We have the dough whisk, little knife, which I'm pretty much assuming it's for mixing in there. This is the scorer, it scores the top. We have some stencils. We have a cool little sill pad for in there, and the bags. I'm really thrilled with this. I think you will be too. Stay tuned, folks. We're going to make some bread. Thank you for watching.